Welcome. Today, let's learn numbers in Amharic,
ቁጥሮች በአማርኛ
from 1 to 19 and beyond. In Amharic, numbers follow a simple pattern. Let's start with 1 to 10.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Now let's go from 11 to 19.
11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19
See the pattern? 11 to 19 start with 10 plus the single digit. This structure continues as we count higher. Want to learn more? Watch our full video and subscribe for more Amharic lessons.